So lots of students make mistakes while wearing gloves. I'm not talking about this gloves which is simple gloves for examination. I'm talking about this gloves which is sterile gloves, and we have to wear this glove while maintaining the sterility of the gloves. So welcome back to the channel Anytime Medicine, and my name is Akash Manguke and I'm 4th year medical student, and today I'm gonna give a demonstration that how should you wear a gloves while maintaining the sterility of the gloves. Maintaining the sterility of the gloves is really important because while doing the operation we have to be sterile all the time. If we don't maintain sterility, patient might have the wound infection or the incision site infection. So we have to maintain the sterility all the time, and one of the way to maintain the sterility is to wear sterile gloves properly. I have seen personally that some of the students and as well as the doctors, they don't know how to wear sterile gloves properly. They just wear sterile gloves like they are wearing the top gloves like this one. They just wear like this. Like this, and they're touching all things and touching this part. This is not the right way to wear sterile gloves. If you wear it like this and some of the consultant or the main doctor sees you wearing like this, believe me, no one can save you from that doctor, because the sterility is the main thing while doing any surgical procedure. These gloves are okay while you're doing the superficial examination of the patient. If we are cleaning the wound of the patient, if we are doing the dressing, if we are doing any surgical procedure on the patient, we have to maintain sterility, and that's why we need these sterile gloves. And I'm gonna show you how to wear it. So first of all, before wearing sterile gloves, you have to know the size of your hand, because the sterile gloves comes with the size. Here you can see that this sterile gloves is for 7 size and my hand is 7 size hand. So you have to know the size of the sterile gloves, because if it is smaller, you cannot put your hands inside the gloves so easily. And if it is a bigger size, that gloves will not fit in your hand and your gloves will lose while doing any surgical procedure, and that is not comfortable. So you have to know the size of the gloves before you wear it. So I'm gonna show you how to wear it. Let's get into that. And when you open the package, there is also written that this is a 7 cuff size glove. So first of all, leave your gloves like this only and then open it like this. So you have to wash your hand before touching these sterile gloves. And there is also written that this side of gloves is for left hand and this side of glove is for the right hand. And so after knowing what is left hand and what is right hand, slowly open this part. In this way your gloves will be fully open. So inside of this area is total sterile, and inside of this area also, this is total sterile area. So be careful while opening it, because you might break the sterility of the glove. So now I'm gonna open it. So remember that open it with your both hands like this. There is a ridge here, so you can grasp it and open it. Your gloves has to be fully open. I'm gonna show you from the up. So as you can see, these gloves are fully open now. So you can see the fold here of the sterile gloves, like here and like here. And its main purpose is that so you can wear it while maintaining the total sterility. So I'm gonna show you how to use these folds and wear it with maintaining the total sterility. So first, grasp the one gloves, any gloves, either it is left or either it is right. So I'm gonna wear it first, the left glove. So as you can see, I'm grasping the gloves with the one hand with this fold. So you have to remember that you have to put your hands without touching this part with this hand. So put your hands in this part without touching the front hand of the gloves, and put your fingers in the spaces. If it is not in the spaces, leave it like this only. But my whole fingers are in the spaces. And see this, I'm grasping the inner part of the gloves, which is the folded part, and I'm not touching the outer part of the gloves, and just leave it like this. So I have successfully weared the first gloves in my hand without touching any outer part of the gloves and maintaining the sterility of the gloves. And now I'm gonna show you how to wear the second gloves, because you cannot touch this outer part of the gloves because this is unsterile, and this hand is your sterile part. So you have to remember that wearing the second gloves is little bit difficult than wearing the first glove. As I have told you that this outer part is unsterile and this part of your all gloves is sterile part. So now here you can do is that put your 2 finger inside this. because the inside part is sterile part and outer part is not a sterile part. After lifting it with the two finger, as you can see that I'm lifting it with the two finger without touching the outer part of the gloves, as you can see here. After that, take your second hand and put it inside like this. And remember that don't worry about the fingers. However your hand goes inside, just leave it like that. But my hand went totally perfect. So remember that you are not touching the inside part, as you can see that you are not touching the inside part, and just leave it like this. So after that your hand is total sterile. Now you can adjust your gloves however you like it, because this is total sterile. Now you cannot touch this part of your hand, this part of your hand, nothing. You just adjust it like this and keep your hand together all the time. So this is how you can wear the sterile gloves and maintain the total sterility. And if you wanna keep these ridges up, just grasp it like this from outer side and just pull it. Don't grasp it from the inner side of the glove. Grasp it from the outer side, because outer is total sterile and inside is not. So grasp it from outer and just stretch it. And as you can see that this was 7 size of gloves and my hand is for 7 size, and that's why it went totally smoothly. So if I had any small size of the gloves, I couldn't wear it so smoothly like I wore it in the video. So if I had the bigger size of the glove, it will be like this only. I cannot show you in the gloves, but it will lose from the fingers and you cannot do procedure comfortably. So know your size of the gloves, wear it while maintaining the total sterility like I showed you in the video. So with that said, thank you everyone for watching this video. I guess that you have learned it, that how to wear the sterile gloves while maintaining this total sterility. And remember that keep your hands always like this after wearing the sterile gloves if you are not doing any surgical procedure, because it might get unsterile if you just move your hand here and there. So keep your hand like this and you will be all good to go. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Anytime Medicine. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.